ones. So today I'm going to be packing with you an Operation Christmas Child shoebox for a girl 10 to 14 years old. So I already have the label on the lid. This is a Bella box. I get these at Family Dollar stores. I think they're a very, very nice size and they are very, very nice and sturdy. So that is the particular kind of shoebox that I'm gonna use. We're gonna start out with the biggest thing going in this box. And we have some very cute gray and like green flip-flops. They're like a size small, like women's, I guess. I did try these on and they do fit me, so they definitely would fit a girl 10 to 14. They're very, very sturdy and very, very nicely made. So there are flip-flops going in the box. Then for toys, we have this cute little Christmas sheep. Look at this funny little sheep. They're just like so big and puffy, but their arms and legs are like so thin. So she's gonna get this cute little Christmas sheep. She is going to get a Splat Ball, and I found this and it was just too squishy for me. I could not pass it up. Like, can you see like how it's like squishing in there? These are really funny. It says you toss at a smooth, slick surface and it splats like, so I thought this was really funny. I love squishy stuff, so I hope that she does too. She is going to get a gold and purple Hot Wheels car. I thought that this was a really, really pretty car. So she's gonna get a Hot Wheels car. And then for just some really fun play stuff, she's gonna get a paper crown with some very, very nice jewels on it. And she is going to get some cute bracelets, coil bracelets. This one matches the flip-flops quite nicely. Next, we will do school supplies. She's gonna get some owl stickers, some emoji stickers, and some foil star stickers. She gets a big purple glue stick. She gets some highlighter pens. Whoa, yikes, okay. She gets a pair of scissors, very useful. She gets a pencil sharpener and a pink eraser. She gets a bouncy ball. She gets an inflatable globe, and I tried to put an inflatable globe in like all of my shoeboxes this year so she can learn about the world, and I also have it marked on here where I am from so she can see where her shoebox came from. So I thought that was a fun idea. She will get a whole bunch of pencils and pens and erasers. I think there's like 8 pencils in there. She will get a full-size notebook. Then I found this really cute coloring book from Dollar Tree, and I thought this was very age appropriate. Look how pretty. It's like a carousel horse. It's just like a trip around the town, I guess. A day trip. This is her coloring book. She gets a whole bunch of Crayola colored pencils to go with that. As always, for hygiene, there is a washcloth and a bar of soap. She gets a toothbrush, and she's going to get a comb and some Band-Aids. And of course, as always, there is a handwritten note from me. I still need to include a photograph though. So this is everything that is going to be going in this box for a girl age 10 to 14 years old, and I kind of wanted to really quickly explain just something new that I learned, something that I think is a good thing to consider. This box, I feel like, at least compared to my other girls' box, is a little bit more gender neutral. This box could go potentially to a boy and he could still enjoy some of the things in there. It wouldn't all be pink princess. I did make the decision that I did want to label it a girl's box, so that's why I included like the bracelets and like some girly stickers and stuff like that. Anyway, that's just the kind of new thing that came into my consideration today. I myself am very, very, very girly. I really, really love pink. I love sparkles, just, okay, the whole 9 yards. But I realized that not everyone has that particular taste. So kind of what I wanted to do, you know, I'm gonna make a princess box, and then I'm gonna make a box that's a little bit more gender neutral. For the reason that, well, suppose this box doesn't go to a girl, it goes to a boy. Well, he could still play with the car, he could still play with the sheep and the splat ball. He could use all the school supplies, the coloring book, because it's all gender neutral. It's not, you know, really girly, the pencils aren't pink, you know, all that kind of thing. That's just one little thing I wanted to consider, and I wanted to share what I'm going to be doing. Of course, I absolutely have to pack a princess box. That's just what I feel my calling is. But I also kind of understand that, you know, that might not be everybody's taste, and what if the box does go to a boy? I wanted to share that with you, just something I'm going to be considering next year. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and that it gave you some ideas. As always, I will have the total amount, the cost of the box, listed in the description in US dollar, British, Canadian, and Australian. So if you're interested, be sure you check that out. Be sure you check out the playlist if you like watching Operation Christmas Child videos. So that is going to be everything, and I will see you later. Bye!